Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're trying to cancel a line on MetroPCS or Metro by T-Mobile, you might feel confused because there isn't always a simple cancel line button inside the app. Many users look through settings and don't find a direct option, which makes it seem complicated. The reason is that Metro usually requires account verification or support interaction before removing a line, especially on multi-line plans. It can feel a bit hidden, but the good part is that once you follow the right steps, you can cancel a line quickly and avoid unnecessary charges on your account. Try these. Step 1. Open the My Metro app or go to the Metro website. Step 2. Log into your Metro account. Step 3. Go to Account Settings or Manage Lines. Step 4. Select the line you want to cancel. Step 5. Contact Metro support via chat or call to request cancellation. Step 6. Confirm the cancellation and check your billing update.